Hello friends, in this video we will be solving a problem related to potential energy of a spring. It is given that a spring when stretched by 2 centimeters, the potential energy stored by spring is U, and when the spring is stretched again by 8 centimeters, what will be the potential energy stored in it? These are the four given options. We know potential energy stored by a spring is given as 1 half of kx square. While k is the spring constant, which tells us about the stiffness and the softness of the spring. If the spring is stiff, k will have bigger values, and if it is soft, k will have smaller values. And x is the length by which spring is stretched or compressed. We know when a spring is in normal position or equilibrium position, no energy is stored in the spring. And when the same spring is compressed or stretched by some force F, a restoring force develops in the spring and it is given as Fs equal to minus Kx. This force is governed by the law called Hooke's law. Since we stretch the spring by some displacement or length x and apply some force F, we do the work in deforming the position of the spring. That work is stored as energy. Since this energy is stored by virtue of the position of the spring, it's called potential energy. Now, coming back to the question, x is 2 centimeters, potential energy stored by spring is U. Now, when x is 8 centimeters, we have to find the value of potential energy. Let's call this new displacement x dash, that is 8 centimeters, or we can write it as 4 into 2 centimeters. We will solve this problem in terms of x rather than in terms of numerical values, because the values are given in terms of centimeters and it will be hectic. So x dash will be 4 times 2 centimeters x, 4 times x. And we know potential energy is U when displacement is x. So potential energy is 1 half of kx square in first case. In second case, potential energy will be 1 half of kx dash square. We know x dash is 4x, so u dash will be 1 half of k 4x square, that is 1 half of k times 16x square, or u dash is 1 half of kx square into 16. We know the value of u is 1 half of kx square, and we can substitute it here. U dash will be u times 16, or u dash is 16 times u. So the right option is option third, 16u. When the spring is stretched by 8 centimeters, the energy stored will be 16u. Hope you understand this. Thank you.